Hello friends, welcome back to our second video. In this video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you telling you about the text editors that we use when creating web pages. HTML5 as a markup language is written in a text editor. There are so many text editors out there. You are going to just simply type on Google or search on the internet for your preferred text editor. So your preferences are what you're going to be using when you are writing web pages. However, it is recommended that as a beginner, it's better to use the default text editor on your platform. For example, in Windows, we have Notepad. It is actually the best text editor to use to start out on HTML5. When you're on Mac, you can use the text edit. We have the default text edit that comes with your platform. The other text editors that you can find on the web, we have Notepad++, we have Sublime Text, we have Vim, we have Atom, Visual Studio Code, which is the one that I'm using. It is loved by many programmers out there. We have Brackets, we have Coda for Android and Android app, we have Quick Edit, Road, HTML Edit. There are so many. You just choose the one that you want. In this video tutorial, I just wanted to let you know the text editors that you can use to get started in HTML5. When you are using a text editor, do not forget to save your files with the .html or .htm extensions. You should either use HTML, it's also fine. We use HTML, is also fine. So you should be able to use a text editor to type your HTML files. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm going to be exploring more elements in HTML5 in the next video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.